I hated to start the video off like this, but R33 maxed up. Oh my lord. We got bands here. What's good? What's good?
Okay.
Now, today we had another car meet as usual, but we got Gabe, Cool Kid. We on the iPhone setup today because my fucking GoPro is dead. All the batteries are dead. So we're gonna try the iPhone setup today. It might not even make it to the tube. But oh, that's fine. This way. Alright, so we pulled up and I think all these cars here are dead ass lined up for fucking two-step. That shit is crazy. Somebody's car got caught on fire. All the way over there. There's so many fucking Nissans here. Jeez. Nah, this is fire. D6. Jeez. There's so many fucking timeless cars. God damn. Q60s. Oh shit, look at that Q60 action. Some nice Z's. I'm not gonna lie, they're hosting a little burnout competition too. I'm happy that we ended up pulling out. I ended up not feeling too good when we first came out here, but sheesh, what a W turnaround. Oh shit. All tipped out Q60. Yo, it's just VQ and Infiniti Nation today. Holy fuck. Like straight VQ world.
Better hope your brakes work.
I wish we could have recorded. Yo, bro, man just did a rollback. Forgot to hit the clutch in time and just broke his trans. Gee fucking jeez. I don't know how to do that, but it's fire. Finally made it to the Q's.
Come on, bro. Red Durango.
Panda spec.
Oh, that wing gap is so tight.
One of the fastest Qs. He has 2 of them, 3 of them. I'm not gonna lie, the burnout competition was mid. A lot of open diffs, a lot of one-wheel peeling, a lot of confused burnouts, a broken trans, and and a stock fucking P60. I forgot how my car looks stock. Big single turbo. Sheesh, that turbo has been on it for a minute. J35, Genesis, old school John, Q60, just the fenders. Oh, y'all can see that. Look at that channel built into the seats. Is that built into the seat? It looks like it. Some clean ass Qs here today. Some Beamer action. X-Drive E90. Clean Nismo. Your mans. Sheesh. There's way too many clean builds all throughout here. Yeah, his paint's brand fucking new. Ceramic coated too, probably. The Hell Maxima. The Batman Mobile. It's actually fire. See, we got the wrap. See, that's fire. Oh shit. Hold on. The fucking Z8 and an Infiniti. I've never seen that. Whoa, what the fuck? What the fuck? Completely changed Q50 headlights. What the fuck? Got another Q60. Oh yeah, Panda spec. Nah, some crazy ass fucking shit.
Back after the broken trans, probably broken diff. He's back.
video. Finally doing the outro this time. Drop like, comment, all that shit. Y'all already know what to do. Share this shit in y'all group chats. I love all y'all niggas. I appreciate y'all. We gonna be back with more videos. I appreciate all y'all. Let me know what y'all think. I ain't really talk too much this video, but I'm gonna chop it up more. Oh yeah, finale.